Hi everybody, it's Will. Welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? So I thought in today's video I would talk you through some of the hooks and holders that's available for wig knotting. Before I get started, I just wanted to thank all my new subscribers. I can't believe how many have joined already. It's so lovely to have people here, and if anyone else wants to join, you're more than welcome to. All you've got to do is hit that subscribe button that's somewhere down there, turn the red to grey. So I shall get started. Hey everyone, so that's my hand here, don't be alarmed. I'm just going to talk you through the three different types of needles or hooks as they're known that you can use for your wig making. So the first one here is the very angled German needle. I personally find this very difficult to work with. The only reason I would use it if I was to knot a hairpiece or wig that was a really dense wig, because these needles, they go in from sizes 0 to 12, so 12 could suggest 12 strands of hair, depending on what hair type and origin you're using. You would just need to try it out to see how many it could pick up at the one time. But yeah, that's the only reason I would use this one. I find it extremely difficult to use. Other wig makers find them really easy to use, but it's just all personal preference really. So that's your first one. The second one is this one. It's the Asian needle. It's like a 90-degree angle hook. I personally use this on like really fine work, like adding baby hairs, or making a facial postiche or something that has really fine hairs on it. Yeah, that's the only reason I would use that one. And the third one, I've saved the best for last here. It's this one. It's the curved German hook. Now, obviously the word curved suggests the way it's made. It's a curved German needle. I use this for almost everything. Knotting, sewing, or some people call it whipping. I use it for pretty much everything, yeah. I'm able to work much more efficiently with this one. It's very easy to use. The hairs drop less on it, so yeah, anything that saves you time and hassle, it definitely gets my vote. And yeah, that's my favourite hook to use. So I would say, if you're, beginning your journey of being a wig maker, or even if you just want something that's going to enable you to work a little bit easier, I would definitely go with this one, the curved German needle. Hey everybody, so here is some of the examples of holders that you can use. So this first one is kind of the most popular one that you see online. It's this long brass one. Again, it's great if you want to hold it like that, as if you were holding a pen. It's, in my opinion, not that great if you use the holder in the palm of your hand, and I just don't like using it because I don't like the smell that they give off. But that's just me. Some other people might like the smell of brass or the feel of brass. Everyone's different. So that's the first one. The second one is pretty much the same, but it's a bit chunkier if you need something bigger to grab hold of. So it's this one. Yeah, I think when I got this one, it came with the latch hooks. Obviously you can't use those for making lace wigs, so I just put the needle in there and it worked, but again, it's too chunky. I can't really hold it in the palm of my hand. I'm getting used to using this camera, so forgive me. I can't really use it like that. I don't really have much control over it, so personally I don't really use that, although I do keep them all in case they come in useful for something like making a video. Who knew? So that's that one. Brass. Again, going with the theme of brass, there's this one. It's a lot smaller and you can use it in the palm of your hand. I find this one, again, I don't like the smell of brass, I don't like the feel of it. I find it slips a lot in my hands for whatever reason. But again, you never know, someone might like to use this one, especially if you like a bit of weight to your holder. So there's that one. So that kind of completes the brass variety. Next we have the wooden variety. This one. Ow, just punctured my finger. Don't do that, be careful. Put plaster over or something to protect it so you don't poke your finger like I did. A great advert for safety, isn't it? Yeah, so there's this one. I actually made this one myself. It's made out of wood. I think it's possibly bamboo. Very lightweight. And they come, the bamboo sticks, they come in really long lengths, so you can make it as long or short as you like, really. Just make sure you sand down the ends so that you don't get splinters in your fingers. And yeah, just soften the wood, pop the needle in there. The little Asian hook. And yeah, there's that really lightweight one. So that's wood. And the final variety is plastic. I've got 4 more to show you, so stick with me, bear with me, yeah. Okay, so like I said, the plastic ones. So these are quite popular. Very lightweight. Can hold it in the palm of your hand like that, especially if you're not like this. It's got my German hook on it. Yeah, what can I say? Lightweight, easy enough to use if you hold it in your palm. You could use it a bit like that as well, but I personally don't hold my holders like that. I hold them in my palm. It makes it much easier for me. Just that plastic one, or you can get these other ones which are really cheap to buy. I think I got this for about £1. It's this one. I've got a little yellow tape on that so that I can spot where it is if I need to find it for whatever reason, because I don't really see dark blues very well, especially if you're looking in a hurry for something. So yeah, it's got a plastic holder and it's got the bit at the top where you insert the needle. Yeah, if you like that one. And there's my really favourite ones. Now these next ones were actually handmade for me by a good friend, and I guard these with my life. And yeah, it's these little ones here. They're just the same as the black ones, sorry. But they've got a really special handmade cotton on them. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm holding this hand up assuming that it's doing something for the camera and the viewer. I don't know. I'm not a camera expert. I just point, push and edit. So yeah, and that sums up your holders. Do let me know what you prefer to use. Like I said, I prefer the shorter ones that are plastic and lightweight. I hope you found this video really useful, and leave me a comment. What would you like to see on this channel? If you found this video quite useful, I hope so. And if you've not already done so, subscribe down there somewhere. I love to have new people here. Take care. See you soon. Bye.